Join me as I dive into the latest news and try to uncover the truth behind Nissan shutting down those Honda merger rumors. Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Welcome to qfleetnews, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. For weeks, rumors have been swirling about a potential merger between Nissan and Honda, two of the biggest players in the automotive industry. Speculation has been rampant, with many wondering what such a deal would mean for the future of both companies and the industry as a whole. Today, we're going to take a closer look at these rumors and see if there's any truth to them. The idea of a merger between Nissan and Honda isn't entirely new. There have been whispers about it for years, but recent reports suggested that talks were getting serious. Many believe that a deal would make sense, given the challenges both companies are facing in terms of electric vehicle production, autonomous driving, and the rising competition from tech giants like Tesla. But before we dive into the latest news, let's take a step back and look at the current state of both companies. Nissan has been struggling to regain its footing after a series of high-profile scandals, while Honda has been investing heavily in electric and autonomous technology. Both companies have a long history of collaboration, having worked together on various projects over the years, including the development of fuel cell technology. Nissan and Honda are two of the largest automakers in Japan, with a combined market value of over $100 billion. A merger would create a behemoth of a company, with significant resources and expertise to tackle the challenges facing the industry. But despite the potential benefits, many have expressed concerns about the cultural and operational differences between the two companies. Moving on to the latest news, Nissan has finally broken its silence on the merger rumors, and the news is significant. In a recent statement, the company categorically denied any plans to merge with Honda, citing its commitment to remaining an independent company. This comes as a surprise to many, given the recent reports of advanced talks between the two companies. According to Nissan, the company is focused on implementing its midterm plan, which aims to improve its profitability and competitiveness in the market. The company stressed that it has no plans to deviate from this plan, and that a merger with Honda is not on the table. This is a strong statement from Nissan, and one that's likely to put an end to the merger rumors once and for all. But what does this mean for Honda and for the industry as a whole? The fact that Nissan has ruled out a merger suggests that the company is confident in its ability to compete on its own terms. This could be a sign that Nissan is preparing to make some significant investments in electric and autonomous technology in order to stay ahead of the competition. Nissan's statement is also a signal to its investors, who have been watching the merger rumors with bated breath. The company's commitment to remaining independent is likely to be seen as a positive development and could lead to a boost in its stock price. For consumers, this means that Nissan will continue to operate as usual, with no significant changes to its operations or product lineup. However, this doesn't mean that the industry is out of the woods just yet. The challenges facing automakers are still very real, and companies like Nissan and Honda will need to continue to invest in new technology and innovation if they're going to stay competitive. The fact that Nissan has ruled out a merger with Honda doesn't mean that other partnerships or collaborations are off the table, and we could still see some significant deals in the future. As one industry expert put it, Nissan's statement is a clear indication that the company is committed to remaining independent, but it's also a signal that the company is willing to work with other partners to achieve its goals. This could be a significant development, and one that could have far-reaching implications for the industry. Another expert noted that Nissan's midterm plan is focused on improving profitability, and a merger with Honda would have been a major distraction from that goal. This suggests that Nissan is focused on getting its house in order before considering any major strategic moves. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to qfleetnews, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.